Real talk. If your Go High Level system feels messy, confusing, slow, or like literally fighting you, this video is about to save your entire business. Most people jump straight into funnels, automations, calendars, AI agents, and everything breaks. And that's when they call me. Aloha fam, it's Stacia, and I've been in the digital marketing space for almost 20 years now. I'm actually certified Go High Level Systems Integrator, and I've helped hundreds of business owners, realtors, coaches, roofers, solar companies, SaaS founders clean up the chaos in their back end so that they can actually scale their business. And I didn't learn this from random YouTube videos. I actually learned it fixing real accounts that were totally sideways. I've seen time zones go wrong, no email domains, 6 phone numbers, 12 calendars, pure chaos. Let me know in the comments what's the messiest thing you've ever found in your Go High Level account. A lot of people think Go High Level isn't working because of all the hard stuff. Funnels, triggers, automations, AI agents. They want all the fun things to be popping off, but that's almost never the real problem. It's not the features. There's hundreds of features in Go High Level. The real issue is that the basic settings, the stuff that you set up once and forget, or don't even realize you need to set up once and forget about it, they were never done right in the first place. So the whole system collapses. And by the time they come to me, everything is already on fire. People, I swear, people swear it's their funnel or the AI agent or the automations, when the real problem is their foundation is cracked. Here's the truth. Go High Level doesn't have a feature problem. Most people have a system problem. Your CRM can't help you if your back end doesn't know who you are, what time zone it is, or where to send things, or what triggers connect where. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't decorate the living room while the foundation is still drying. But that's exactly what people do in Go High Level, right? So comment below systems if you already feel called out. So I'm going to give you my setup before you scale framework. The exact foundation I built in every client account. People pay me 5,000 or more to set this up for them. And every niche thinks that they are the exception, or real estate says our business is different. Coaches say my funnel is special. SaaS founders say my setup is so complicated. Nope. Everyone needs the same foundation. It's like brushing your teeth. Nobody's too good for the basics. All right. So the step five framework that I'm going to share with you. All right. Let's go into it. Step 1 is system identity, the part people rush through. If your time zone is wrong, automation fires at the wrong hour. If your default email isn't set up, your messages look unprofessional. Identity settings feel tiny, but they're the brain of the entire account. You want to make sure you have your business information, the default user set up, your time zone, the branding kit, your email, your company email, and your company phone number. So, for example, I had a client whose time zone was set to EST, but they lived in California. Their confirmations were going off at the wrong time. Their AI responded hours late, and the clients stopped trusting them. That's not good. One setting, that's all it took to fix. All right. Comment identity if you've never checked these things before. Okay. Step 2, system delivery. DNS, email settings, email sending domains, phone numbers, A2P registration. You have to verify your domain, or Gmail will not send your emails into a void. They will actually send your emails into a void. You have to do the A2P registration. You might not even know what that is. A2P, or if you don't set up your A2P registration, your text will get blocked, or not, you won't even be sending to anybody. So we got to get those things set up, right? We're not in 2020 anymore. You can't skip this. And half of the automation problems people complain about, they weren't automation problems at all. They were deliverability problems, right? So step 3 is your structure, the system structure, your pipeline, your stages, your statuses, your lead flow. Do not make 47 pipelines. One pipeline, right? Clear stages. Got a new lead. We've contacted them. They booked a call. They no-showed. Closed 1, close loss. When you create too many pipelines, leads fall through the cracks, follow-ups disappear, and your CRM becomes a digital drunk drawer. One pipeline keeps everything clean and predictable. How many pipelines do you have right now? Comment below. Step 4 is where GoHighLevel becomes your digital employee. At minimum, you need 3 automations running right now. An instant new lead response, because we all need speed to lead right now. Appointment confirmations. Don't forget, if you want to check out my appointment confirmations, which I have the best in the business, comment below or see my link in the descriptions and book a call with me, because you'll be able to see exactly what pops off when you book a call with me. And missed call text back. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much money you're losing on the table for all the calls that you've missed while you're out in the field and they've gone to the next person. All right. So if you're thinking, but Stacia, I want a whole nurture sequence, cool. But build that after the essentials are actually working. These 3 alone have saved business owners thousands of dollars every single month. Once everything is running, now you can optimize. We want to add in an AI agent to pre-qualify your leads, use tags to segment hot versus cold prospects, and please check your reporting weekly. Your data tells you exactly what's working. 90% of optimization is just paying attention. I had a client swear they had all the lead quality problems. Nope. Their leads were amazing. Their systems were trash. Your pipeline was broken. Their confirmations didn't send. Their follow-up was non-existent. They didn't need more leads. They needed a system. Most people don't need volume. They need to get organized, and they need organization. So if you're watching this thinking, yeah, my setup is definitely a mess, don't stress. This is literally what I do all day. So if you want GoHighLevel to actually be set up the right way, hit the link below, grab your free trial, comment below setup, and I'll help you in the next steps. All right. Make sure to subscribe for more trainings, and I'll see you on the next one. All right. Much love and aloha.